हेल्दी सॉइल हेल्दी फार्मिंग मिट्टी को जिंदा करे, खेती को लाभदायक बनाए। तो my name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired research scientist, Anand Agriculture University, Anand, and guest faculty, Professor, Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. Friends, soil is life. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides has killed microorganisms, making soil infertile and crop unresponsive. But farmers are reviving their soil with natural farming, soil testing, regenerative agriculture, and integrated nutrient management. So here you can see in figure, at present we are observing multi-nutrient deficiency in Indian soil due to imbalanced use of excessive chemical fertilizers and pesticides resulted in, at present we are observing the deficiency. You can see 90-50 we are observing the deficiency of the nitrogen, 90-60 nitrogen and iron, but in 2010 and 2025 we are observing the deficiency of nitrogen, iron, zinc, boron, molybdenum, etc. So the farmer are used the high analysis of fertilizers and they are not use the organic manures, and due to intensive farming in 3 seasons, there will be depletion of the nutrient from the soil. So you can see here dry cracked soil in absence of organic matter. Then microorganisms, the soil become dead. Then you can see here that farmers spraying chemicals. So we have killed the microorganism. So friends, our soil is dying. Excess use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide has killed soil microorganisms. As a result, crops do not respond well, production decreases and soil fertility is lost. दोस्तों, हमारी मिट्टी मर रही है। रासायनिक खाद और कीटनाशकों के अत्यधिक उपयोग से मिट्टी की जीवाणु मर चुके हैं। परिणाम स्वरूप फसल की पैदावार घट रही है और मिट्टी की उर्वरता खत्म हो रही है। तो you can see here the earthworm also killed because excess use of chemical fertilizer, pesticide and fungicides. So previously we are told that farmer's friend is earthworm, but the farmer has killed the earthworm by spraying insecticide, pesticides and huge chemicals fertilizers for the soil. So what is problem? So comparison of healthy soil. So here you can see that earthworm, full of earthworm. So it is live soil. Here it is dead soil, degraded soil, less organic matter, no microorganism, and we will not find the earthworm. Explain how chemicals reduce organic carbon from microorganism and make soil hard like brick. So at present the soil become hard, just like brick. So what is the reason? Loss of organic carbon, harm to microorganism, soil hardening, brick-like structure. In short, chemical deplete soil organic carbon, kill helpful microbes and damage soil structure, turning healthy soil into hard, lifeless land. Would you like me to create an infographic image explain this is a farmer-friendly way? So here you can see that farmer dependence increases every year. More fertilizers, less yield. So continuous use of chemical fertilizers reduce soil fertility over time. Organic matter microbe decline, so the soil cannot naturally supply nutrients. Farmers are forced to add more fertilizer each year to maintain crop growth. Despite a higher input, crop yield start decreasing due to soil degradation. This cycle creates dependence on chemicals, leading to more fertile fertilizer, less yield. What is the solution? So soil testing. You know that soil testing is the first step for soil fertility management. Know your soil before applying anything. Taste, pH, नाइट्रोजन, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स खेती शुरू करने से पहले मिट्टी की जांच जरूरी है. यू हैव टू मेजर पीएच, एनपीके और सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्वों की जांच करें. सो यू नो दैट मेजर न्यूट्रिएंट एनपीके, secondary nutrient calcium, magnesium, sulfur, micronutrient zinc, iron, copper, boron, molybdenum. So by carrying out the soil testing before planting or sowing, we have to carry out the soil testing. But whatever the nutrients are deficient or medium, that nutrient we have to add in the soil. So we have to add the balanced fertilization in soil as per the soil test value. So here you can see that balanced fertilizer is very important for the higher rice crop production. So ideal ratio of NPK is 2:1:1. So here you can see that when the ratio is nearer to 2:1:1, then rice yield is greater. But when the ratio is wider of NPK, then the rice crop production is low. So application of balanced fertilizer based on actual limitation of nutrient in soil is very crucial to increase production and productivity of crops. So site-specific nutrient management is very important. So you carried out the soil analysis of the particular field, and then as per the soil test value, we have feed the crops with nutrient major secondary or micronutrients. Then monitor soil nutrients. So we have to monitor the nutrient major secondary and micronutrients. So how to take soil sample from the farmer field? So for that, we have to zigzag method for soil sampling from the field. Just like snake is running or walking in the field. So we have to make V-shape. So soil is heterogeneous mass. So collect a representative soil sample at 15 to 20 places in work of land using the zigzag method. Collect soil sample at 20 to 30 centimeter depth for agriculture crops and for horticulture crops at 45 to 60 centimeter depth. Make V-shape cut 15 to 20 centimeter deep with the help of the spade and take a 1 centimeter slice from the smooth side. So we have to take the soil sample. Major nutrient nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium deficiency and secondary calcium, magnesium, sulfur deficiency. So this slide show figure 8 indicate nitrogen deficiency in sorghum. Figure 9 phosphorus deficiency in corn or maize. Figure 10 potassium deficiency in maize or corn. Calcium deficiency in maize or corn. Figure 2 magnesium deficiency in corn or maize. And figure 3 sulfur deficiency in rice crop. So you can see that yellowing due to the deficiency of the sulfur. Then iron, manganese, and zinc deficiency in plant. and efficiency in rice or paddy, you can see here yellowing due to and efficiency. Then here you can see that manganese deficiency in rice, and here manganese deficiency in wheat crop. Then here zinc deficiency in rice crop. So stunted growth. So use of fertilizer wisely by assessing their quality. So we use balanced fertilizer in the soil as per soil test value for higher crop production and soil sustainability. Use of biofertilizer reduce the need for costly chemical fertilizer use. So we are knowing that biofertilizers like rhizobium, azotobacter, and azospodium, phosphate soluble bacteria, that improve the phosphorus availability from the soil. They improve soil fertility and maintain organic carbon. Using biofertilizer reduce the need for costly chemical fertilizer. They protect soil microorganisms, keep the soil soft and healthy. As a result, farmers save money and achieve higher sustainable crop production. So biofertilizer is very important to maintain the soil health and for higher crop production and to make the soil soft and healthy for higher crop production and for sustainable crop production. So empty collect soil sample from the plastic bowl on paper as shown in the figure. So you have to take the soil sample from 15 to 20 places from 1 acre land. Then you mix it, put the soil on a paper, then make 4 parts with the fingers, then opposite portion discarded. Then after that labeling, put the label in the, provide a sample collection bag. So put in a plastic bag and labeling. Then second, integrated nutrient management. So integrated nutrient management, this means we have to add the chemical fertilizer, organic fertilizer, biofertilizer as per soil test value. So we have to add balanced chemical, organic biofertilizer. That is called integrated nutrient management. Don't use chemical fertilizer alone or organic or biofertilizer alone, but we should have to use 50% chemical fertilizer, 25% compost, and 25% biofertilizer. So that is called integrated nutrient management. So it increases the crop productivity and soil sustainability for a longer period. Then third one is organic farming. So add well decomposed farmyard manure to the soil to boost soil health. So in organic farming, we should have to use the organic chemical but not chemical fertilizer or pesticide. So we have to follow the crop diversification or crop rotation for the benefit of the crops. Don't grow similar crop throughout the year, but you include the cereal crop, legume crop, pulses crop, and oilseed crop in a crop rotation in a year. So thereby, legume or pulses crop fix the atmospheric nitrogen from soil, and we require less chemical fertilizers, particularly nitrogenous fertilizers. Then third one, natural farming. So use Jivamrut, Panchagavya, compost, cow dung, urine, encourage microbial activity. It is cow-based farming system. Reduce chemical gradually, not suddenly. So we have to reduce the chemical fertilizer gradually, not immediately. So it is also zero budget natural farming system. So there is no need of the chemical fertilizer and pesticides. So we have to use Jivamrut, Panchagavya, compost, and the main aim to add the microorganism in soil. So thereby the nutrient present in soil that can be available to the plants easily, and we are increasing the crop productivity. Then integrated farming system. So we know that there are different farming systems, that is agriculture, then livestock, then fishery, agroforestry. So we have to combine agriculture, livestock, fishery, and agroforestry. So farm waste become input for another activity, zero waste model. Suppose you take the livestock, so the cow dung can be utilized for the improve the soil fertility, and the byproduct of the agriculture crop can be fed to the livestock. So farm waste become input for another activity. So integrated farming system for higher crop production and global warming mitigation. So I have prepared this YouTube, and I have put up the project when I was serving at Anand Agriculture University in Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana ICR, and government gave about 5 crores for the project integrated farming system. So there are different models of the integrated farming system. So particularly for the soil type and according to climatic condition, we have to develop the integrated farming system model and adopt. Then we are getting the more crop production and maintain soil fertility. Then regenerative agriculture. So minimum tillage, crop rotation, mulching, cover crops, increase soil organic carbon. We must promote biodiversity on farms. So at present I am in Edmonton, Canada. So the farmers are adopting the regenerative agriculture. So there are different principles. So reducing soil disturbance, minimum tillage, then integrate livestock, then covering the soil, don't keep the soil naked one, empowering use in the soil at year round, and practice crop diversity. What is the regenerative agriculture principles? They are maintaining soil fertility. It is similar to natural farming. So success stories. So farmer who shifted to natural regenerative farming. Example, farmer grow vegetables, wheat and rice with germ root or biofertilizer, reporting higher soil fertility and reduced cost. When we are using the germ root and biofertilizer, then the cost of cultivation is reduced, and we are getting the more production, and they reduce the cost of the fertilizers and other input cost like pesticide and fungicide. Friends, healthy soil means healthy crop and healthy farmers. Let us reduce chemicals, adopt natural and regenerative farming, and bring back life to our soil. Subscribe and share this video so that every farmer of India can join this mission. दोस्तों, स्वस्थ मिट्टी का मतलब है स्वस्थ फसल और स्वस्थ किसान। आइए रसायनों का उपयोग कम करें, प्राकृतिक और पुनर्योजी खेती अपनाएं और अपनी मिट्टी को फिर से जिंदा करें। इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें ताकि हर किसान इस मिशन से जुड़ सके। In this video, you will learn why soil health is deteriorating, solution, natural farming, organic input, regenerative principle, role of soil testing for right fertilizer use, integrated nutrient management, integrated farming system, success stories of farmers who improve production plus profit. So, case study in Gujarat, a farmer adopted soil testing plus geomroot plus 50% reduced chemicals. Within 2 years, soil organic carbon improved from 0.3 to 0.9%. Crop yield of wheat increased by 25%, and fertilizer cost reduced by 40%. So profit increased by 20,000 per acre. In Andhra Pradesh, farmers under natural farming mission reduced pesticide use by 100%, increased soil moisture retention, and achieve higher market price for organic produce. Watch this video till the end and join the mission of healthy soil, healthy farming, healthy farmer. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video so more farmer can benefit So farmer Mr. Ramesh Patel, Anand, Gujarat. Earlier, heavy use of urea plus pesticide, soil become hard. Yield of wheat was only 25 quintals per acre. After adopting soil testing plus Geomrut plus FIM plus 50% reduced chemicals, soil carbon increased from 0.4% to 1% in 3 years. Earthworm and soil microbes return yield increased to 32 quintals per acre. That is 28% higher. Previously it was 25 quintal, but now it is 32 quintal. So it is 28% higher than previous one. Fertilizer cost reduced by 35% because 50% chemical fertilizer used, and net profit per acre increased by 22,000 per acre. So what is the message for farmers? Soil is like our mother. If we take care of it naturally, it will give us more than we expect. So we have to take soil as a mother. So we have to take the mother naturally. It will give us more than we expect. So save soil, save farming. Farmer success story. 1. More yield, less cost. ज़्यादा उपज, कम खर्च. Wheat production in major wheat producer. So you can see the India, the production of the wheat is increased compared to China, Russia. So you can see. So farmers success story 2. From loss, profit. नुकसान से मुनाफा. Previously, the chemical farming or conventional farming in loss, but now we are adopting natural farming, organic farming, or regenerative agriculture. Then it is profit. So नुकसान से हमको मुनाफा मिलता है ज़्यादा. So you know that previously the farmers are sad because they get the low production and the cost of the cultivation is higher due to excess use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide and fungicide. Now, at present, the farmers are adopting natural farming, organic farming, and regenerative agriculture. The farmers are happy with the vegetables, so farmer is laughing. Here, the farmer is sad because they are adopting the conventional farming, chemical farming, and huge quantity of chemical fertilizer. The farmers are not carried out with soil analysis, and they are applied the chemical fertilizer as per his wish or the advice of the fertilizer merchant. So regenerative agriculture, soil become alive again. मिट्टी फिर जिंदा. So हमें मिट्टी को फिर जिंदा करने का है. So you can see that dead soil with skull, but at present you can see that living soil with microbes and roots. So when we are adopting natural farming, organic farming, or regenerative agriculture, by using the soil testing, integrated nutrient management, integrated farming system, crop rotation, site-specific nutrient management, then definitely we are increasing the crop production and soil sustainability. Future of profitable farming, soil is wealth. मिट्टी ही धन है. Farmer holding soil turning into golden crops. So you know that soil is very important. और मिट्टी जो अच्छी है, मिट्टी जो healthy है, then we are getting higher crop production. But if the soil is bad, poor in fertility, उनकी हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है सॉइल की, मिट्टी की, then we are getting the low crop production. So looking to improve soil health for higher crop production and soil sustainability or need expert consultancy. My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired as a scientist. Phone +919909022116. Email patelpc12@gmail.com. And it is my YouTube channel link. So please subscribe my channels and you watch the video starting from to end so that you can learn many things from the YouTube because at present the farmers are complaining that they are adding huge quantity of chemical fertilizer and pesticide and fungicide, but they are not getting the response. So I have discussed these things that at present the soil become dead due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer, pesticides. Microorganism population has been declined significantly. So again, we have to make the land live, or again, we have to produce the more crop production for the nations because at present we are knowing that the population of the India is about 140 crores and it is increasing. So for the food security problem not arise in future, so we have to increase the crop productivity per unit area and time, and we should have to follow the natural farming, regenerative agriculture, or organic farming, along with the integrated nutrient management, then soil testing, then site-specific nutrient management, then